check for advanced restart button. This is a restart. I already made this video. I have directly option here, advanced restart button. I am booting into recovery. If you don't have that, you can manually boot into recovery by pressing power button and volume up button. Here we go. This is the latest TWRP recovery booting into, as you can see, 362.12.0 TeamWin recovery project. The link for this is in the community section, and I made a dedicated video on this particular TWRP. You can look out in my channel. Once you booted into recovery, go to wipe section here and select advanced wipe and select Dalvik cache and data and swipe here to wipe it. Done. Again go to home section and select install and select the already it's selected SD card here. You can select, okay, it's an internal storage. Now you can select the SD card. First always flash the firmware 12.5.5.0, flash it. There is 12.5.8.0 also. I haven't tested it. Okay, the firmware has been flashed. Again go to install and select the ROM zip file. Finally the LineageOS, let me show you the ROMs. The LineageOS 19.1 fork with GApps has been given. It takes a little bit of time to flash the ROM. Wait until it gets flashed. You can see here the ROM zip file has been flashed successfully. Again go to home section here and select wipe and select format data and type here YES and press this tick button. Done. Again go to home section and select reboot and select the system. This is how the flashing method of LineageOS fork 19.1 on Poco X3/NFC. It's applicable for both variants. My variant is specifically Indian variant, which comes with 6000 mAh battery, and in this video we are going to see everything in detail regarding this LineageOS 19.1 on Poco X3/NFC. As you can see, it's booting into that. In detail will be explained. Stay tuned till the end of the video and let's begin this video. Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath's YouTube channel, and this is the Poco X3 custom ROM reviews. Here you can see here LineageOS 19.1 fork GApps version 2022 7.3.22.05 Surya. Android version is 12. Security patch is 5th June 2022. Not a July security patch yet. And build date you can see here July 3rd Sunday build date, and the kernel used here is 4.14.286 SilonT Kernel has been used. That is latest kernel for Poco X3. And build number you can see, and ceiling status is enforcing. I have been running the CPU throttling test from last 6 minutes and 6 milliseconds. You can see here the maximum is 160 and average is 156 and minimum is 140 million GIPS, and it's throttled to 95% of its max performance. This all the CPU throttling test results. It's getting good after certain time. This is not the case with any other ROMs. After a long time it will get throttled, but here it is getting even stronger according to this app. It's really good. The overall performance will be going to better in this particular ROM. We'll be discussing that in detail in further. And this is the dialer you get. You can see here the dialer app is clean enough, and you get direct video call feature here. Direct video call feature is working fine, no problem regarding that. Let me check the call recording also once again. Yeah, call recording feature is also there, but it will announce the other person that you are recording the call. That's how it is. It's very simple. You can read the apps also. Let me come back here, and this is a quick settings panel. It's very simple, and Android 12 style is. Let me go back, cat controls. You can see here what happened. Let me enable the Wi-Fi again. Okay, it switched to airplane mode. This is how the quick settings panel. In the edit section you get plenty of options here. Let me add this mic axis and camera axis, and again the location and dark theme. Whichever you need you can add that. I want even sync also. I will disable that. These are the things you get in this particular ROM. Even calculator has been added, focus mode, you can see on the screen. Let me go and disable location, yes, and then sync, turn off. And even the mobile data connection also, let me turn off here. Okay, you can see here the battery percentage is now 89%. While flashing this ROM it was 100%. If you watched my video from the beginning, I mean in the flashing method, you can know that. And into the home settings, you get the Pixel launcher as a pre-installed launcher here. All the basic functions are working fine. Notification dots and some of the options you can see here, all the things are working fine, no problem regarding that. Coming into widgets, here also there is a widget of battery also, which is cool thing. Let me add here. Loading, it takes a little bit of time maybe. I will add here the widget of clock, all the Android 12 material you design, these all the things you can get in this ROM. It's working fine, no problem. It is still loading. Let me show you after that. And you get this kind of basic camera application. Ignore using that. Use this Arno build GCOM. This was not working in Droid or some of the ROM actually, but majority of the ROMs this Arno build GCOM is going to be working fine, no problem regarding that. Even night sight, portrait mode, camera, ultra wide angle shot, everything is working fine. Even let me go into night sight and I will show you the astrophotography mode. Everything is working fine. Portrait mode is also working fine. Front camera, there is a little bit bug in video, that's it. Like you won't get any slow motion or time lapse. Other than that, everything is working fine. You can use this camera application. If you have any other GCOM ports, you can try them. That's not going to be problem in this ROM. Let's go into Chrome and I will show you the speed test here. I have 100 Mbps Geo Giga Fiber connection, and even with mobile data connection is also working fine here. You can see here it's pulling up to 90 to 95 Mbps, which is fine enough. And carrier aggregation support is also there, no problem regarding that. And earpiece quality is also fine enough. I just took calls, few of the calls, it's fine enough, no problem regarding that. And this is how the home screen, it's smooth enough to scroll between home screen and come back here. And this all the recent apps you can see here, it's smooth. The UI little bit lag, you can notice it's not as smooth as some of the Droid or whatever it is I shown in the previous ROM. That was very quick. That's how it is. And coming to benchmark results, let's start with Antutu benchmark result. You can see here the app opening time also you can judge, and 3,68,746 is the score. And temperature raise was just 0.2 degrees Celsius, and battery percentage is also 2%. It's quite normal. The scores are also very good if you consider the app scores. Coming into Geekbench scores, you can again see the app opening time and go into history, and you can see here the single score performance is 543 and multi score is 1528, and the kernel used is Linux 4.14.286 SilonT Kernel. That's the latest build of the kernel also. It's fine enough. And the biggest thing of this LineageOS was previously they were not releasing the GApps variant. Now they fixed that, they are releasing the GApps variant. I am very happy to flash this kind of ROMs if they provide everything easy. And you can see here the data usage today, it will be counted here, and we swipe like this. Okay, you see the other toggles from here. Coming into app settings again, start with there is no gallery application, and Google Photos unlimited storage is available. No need to worry about that, no need to enable any options also. And DRM info, you get level 1 certification. You can see here you can watch all the OTT application in HD resolution. That's not going to be problem in this particular ROM. Safety net status, it also might get passed. Yeah, you will get safety net status passed. You can use all the payment applications like Google Pay, Phone Pay, whatever you want to use the payment applications, all are going to be working fine, no problem regarding that. I want to show you the automatic brightness. Let me turn off the light here. You can see the automatic brightness goes down. As you can see, again I will turn on the automatic, the light, the brightness is switching like that. The calibration is done in this particular ROM is really good. Now coming back again to app settings, Google Maps are working fine, location settings, everything is working fine, the basic things are fine enough here, and you get this kind of some of the options like audio effects. You can have it as a direct sound settings here. If you use the earphones, you can have the options, you can increase the bass level and virtualizer, and some of the presets you can see here. You can customize them, you can increase or decrease the toggles from 60 Hz to 14 kilohertz. This is going to be very useful in our you are a music picky ear, like that you can customize. And if you want to root your smartphone, you can do that and install the Dolby Atmos or Dolby Digital Plus. It will be going to be enhance your audio experience in this smartphone. I have never faced any problems regarding audio while playing audio files and videos. That's fine enough in this particular ROM. Now moving into settings, here it's simple UI. As you can see, the smoothness is really good, but just the home screen here and there is a little bit of lag. It's also fine, but there is light lag, you might not notice. That's how it is. And here in the settings there is no lag whatsoever, you can see here. That's cool. And coming into app settings, you get all the basic things here. Game space is given, just enable these things if you want. That's how it is. Special app access is also given. Coming to battery life, you can see here it's 1 hour ago. As I said before, it was 100%, now 88%. During this video start it was 90. It's good. Just 2% of battery drop has been noticed in last 20 minutes. It's really good, I can say, but it depends upon your usage pattern also. If you use the BGMI or Call of Duty or any other gaming sessions, then you will get very low battery usage. And it also depends upon those two devices also, the Surya and Karna, I mean the X3 and NFC. Both will differ slightly in terms of battery life, because one is having 6000 mAh and another one is 5160 mAh. And you get battery saver settings. Extreme battery saver is also given. Good thing is that. And battery light options, battery manager and battery temperature also you can check out from here. And sound settings, again as I said, here also Me Sound Enhancer is given. You can enable that and choose the headphone type and the preset and even the enable hi-fi option is also given, which is very good in my opinion. That will improve your audio experience while listening, especially in headphones, I mean the wired headphones through 3.5mm headphone jack. And touch vibration, haptic feedback and some of the sound settings you can enable or disable from here. Coming into display settings, here traffic indicators has been given. If you want, you can enable them and show 4G instead of LTE. You can again enable or disable. And show data disabled icon, brightness level, adaptive brightness, extra dim, lock screen, skin timeout, dark theme. Here I'm very happy they are given some of the options here. I need complete pitch black. Here there is a option. Now it is in pitch black condition, you can see here. That's my requirement. Whenever I apply dark theme, it should be in pitch black condition. What's your requirement in display settings? Let me know in the comment section, guys. And the video is getting interesting, right? Have a subscribe to my channel. You will get similar kind of content in my channel. If you like the video, give it a like and share with your friends who are using this smartphone and interested in custom ROMs and some of the tech related videos. Everything will be shared in my channel. And font size, you can see here, you can customize display size also, you can customize smallest width, you can customize night light also, you can adjust the intensity. By default it is kept to adaptive. I kept it to boosted. You won't get any extra display settings. And peak refresh rate I kept to 120 Hz and minimum refresh rate is also 120 Hz. Working fine. Smooth display, just enable that. Full screen apps, whenever if you find any app is not playing in full screen, you can enable from here. Screensaver, tap to wake, prevention accidental wake up and tap to sleep, wake unplug, ambient edge, command signal icon, ripple effect, location privacy indicator, mic and camera privacy indicator, vibrate on touch. These things are given here. Display cutout, full screen apps, reticker, plenty of customization, fingerprint authentication, vibration and error vibration, font, icon pick, icon shape, some of the customization. And monitor engine customization, like again here also use black theme is option given. Custom color you can choose from here. They included every display settings customization in the display only, but some of the other customization you need to go into system here and again select system profiles. That's there. gestures, one-handed mode enabled, swipe to screenshot, 3-finger gestures is working fine, you can see here, and one-handed mode is also working fine, no problem. Regarding that system navigation, gesture navigation, into settings, you get option to increase the pill length. You can see here the pill is not visible. That's what my complaint always in any custom ROMs. Just differentiate the overall screen and the pill, then only it's visible. What is the option to give like that? The pill length, pill radius, if you add that, that could be better in my opinion. These are the customization. Again, status bar customization, you can choose here battery percentage, you can hide, and you can just change the circle method. That's it. And coming into security and encryption and credentials, the ROM is encrypted here, and face and fingerprint unlock you get, and app lock is also pre-installed in this particular ROM. It's still loading the battery widget. Anyhow, I will show you the face unlock here first. You can see it's very quick to unlock your smartphone using the face unlock. I will show you the fingerprint unlock also. Stay tuned. As you can see, it's very quick to unlock your smartphone using the fingerprint unlock also. By the way, I will show you the charging support also in this particular ROM. You can see here, let me close the camera. Okay, it is showing charging slowly, might get again faster also, still showing charging slowly. It takes some time also sometimes. No, it is showing charging slowly only with the 33-watt charging. This is a bug, maybe this is the deal breaker for some of the people to install this custom ROM. They want fast charging, but it's not available in this particular ROM. That is the deal breaker for them. Let me know in the comment section, guys. As you can see, it's still showing charging slowly only. That's how it is. The fast charging in this particular ROM is not available. Let me show you the BGMI gameplay and finish this video. You can see here, this is the BGMI gameplay, and few people complaining about have this kind of hand cam video. It depends upon you guys. If you ask me, I will do this thing. If you want a screen recorded gameplay, I will add that only. Let me know. I will add the poll regarding this some other day. And you can see the graphic settings. You get just smooth plus ultra. I will show you again. I need to move there, and you won't get any high FPS count option in the settings as I shown in the video. Already enemies landed. Let me take this place. Okay, I got a gun. The UI was smooth, and even in gameplay it's nice. Considering 40 FPS, it's fine. Not 60 FPS level. Oh, I got kill. You can see here the graphics set to same again, smooth plus ultra only. No higher FPS count in this particular ROM. In Sanok it was fine, but definitely you miss that 90 and 60 FPS power. If you know how to enable that using Magic's modules and some file transfer method, or even using with GFX tool, then that will be better option for this particular ROM. If you want to game on this particular ROM, especially the BGMI, the Call of Duty might get better in this ROM. Currently I'm not testing that game in this particular ROM. I got error while signing in the Call of Duty, hence I'm not showing that. And this is not gaming ROM also according to me, but it depends, guys. Okay, I will come back here. This is a very good ROM here. Basic things are working fine here. Now the pill is looking a little bit better, maybe because of, okay, now it's not in only in the home screen, it's looking fine here. You can see here, that's the verdict. Coming to verdict for this particular ROM, basic things are working fine. Improvements is they have given GApps version, that's really good in my opinion. Still they need to improve on some of the things like adding high FPS, or what I said about the So the pitch black condition is given, just the spill length and radius if they give, that could be better, and keep updating this particular ROM with whatever kernel you need to have with this particular ROM. I really appreciate your updates. Just keep posting both GApps and vanilla OS also, it helps a lot, and flashing should be easy for people while flashing it. That's all in this video. I hope I explained everything. If you want to use it as a daily driver, definitely you can try this out. And thank you for watching guys. We'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.